Hello everyone, it's Carl G again, and today I will talk to you not about the Kadestack project. Well, it is to a certain extent, but I will tell you some very exciting news about what we have added to this Kadestack project. I hope you all been in and looked at the offer that we have and got acquainted with that. It's just a tremendous offer for $1130 for 1 year of hosting and a lot of nice professional plugins and things that makes your site both beautiful and fast and efficient. But until now, Kadestack, as the name says, has been tied up to the KadenceWP theme and Kadence Gutenberg plugins, Pro plugins or block plugin. But now we have something new. We are now able to offer you Astra 3.0. And this is of course something totally unique, and it's only with 3.0 that Astra actually can match the page speed of Kadence on our 20i hosting, and I will show you about that now. But first let me show you what we have on this site, which I'm going to show you. We have Astra, we have the Elementor starter themes, and I will show you how that looks like. First of all, with the Pro version, which you have here, you have access to all agency themes, everything, and with just with one click you can install any of this I think 150 something themes, and that sort of plugs a gap between Kadence and Elementor, because with Kadence you have still a limited amount of starter templates, but with Astra and Elementor you have, as you see, quite a lot. And the interesting thing here is that you can choose these templates if you want to have them as Elementor templates, or if you want them as Beaver Builder, or as Gutenberg or Breezy. So for example, Gutenberg, I think they have the same amount. This is like Kadence starter themes. That's a little bit less actually than for Elementor. But anyhow, you can get, as an alternative to Kadence, you can get Astra 3.0 Pro version, Astra starter themes, the agency versions, and also, it's not installed here now, but you will also get some Elementor Pro plugins in addition to what Astra offering you here. So let's see how this has influenced on the page speed. So I measure just when with the starter template. Without the templates, the theme was $99.99, but with the starter template, you can see for the desktop 95, and for the mobile 79. So how could we improve that? And let's look, by the way, at GTmetrix also. GTmetrix, they don't catch the problems with mobile. That's why this always get a good score. But what you can see here is that it's only for the mobile starter template, or with starter template and the mobile measuring in Google page speed, that we have a small problem, not very big. But what did we do to improve this? Well, to be really honest, I'm not really 100% sure what might have happened, because I did a stupid thing. Should never do two things at the same time. Let me pause while I take up the admin area of the hosting package. Okay, so here we are in the web optimization area of the hosting package, and as you can see, we have applied very little here, and we still have very good result. Of course, everything is on the CDN network, that's for sure. But we just added some CSS optimization. We very few. But then we put some image optimization, which was recommended by Google. Otherwise, you see, we have applied very few of the possibilities here. And still we have this quite good result. And this is now for mobile and for desktop. So I would say that you can, with confidence, if you want to use Elementor, you can with confidence use Astra also, if you prefer to build with Elementor. Of course, if you make complicated pages with Elementor, this page speed will most likely go down. But anyhow, as a start, you can see that this combination of our hosting on 20i with the stack cache and CDN and the optimization, plus the new Astra 3.0 optimized theme and one of the starter templates, you see that this gives a good ground to stay on, to build on. Just to recapitulate, to remind you about how you check on your own browser the speed. You do that with F12 to bring up this console, the control development features, and then you do a Control R to refresh, and you look at the, well, we're on the contacts, we will go to the main page. We'll do a new Control R. And you can see even here how speedy it is. I'm right now in Moscow, Russia. And here you can see on the headers, if you select the main page here, in the headers you can see that right now we are hitting the CDN, which is good, but we are also some resources are picked up from the original server. And this is no problem, as you can see on the speed test. It works very well. And you can also see the timing here. The time to first TTFB, time to first byte, is below 50 milliseconds, which is extremely good. Google normally counts below 200 milliseconds as good enough. If you are above 600 here, you should do something with your hosting. But I just want to prove to you again how efficient this our reseller hosting on 20i is, and what a wonderful package you will get either with KadenceWP theme, Pro themes, or with Astra and Elementor. So with that, everything will be presented on the Kadestack front page, where you can also look or sign up for this project or for this offer. And don't forget the Iron Bias Club 1130 membership, which is something really, really special. Here I see I must put a link to that page here. Right. Thank you for watching this, and see you in the next video.